This is the entrance into the cycle practice area, which we can't go into at the moment, of course. And then this structure here is the the bike rental building and stuff is in there. Now you would, as you may remember, we wanted to hide these blasted things, and you can see that it's a complete and utter failure to hide this thing. No vertical greening on it whatsoever. There was obviously space left here for a hedge, and we can see, right, ta-da, a hedge, which is another bamboo, probably I think Bambusa multiplex, which is a much smaller one than the other bamboos which are on your list, which tend to get very big. If you want a little sort of hedge bamboo like this, then Bambusa multiplex is a good one. Now, it's created a hedge, at the back of the building for the people, for the kind of works area, the back of house area, which is totally, it doesn't matter what the views are from there. It matters what the views are from here, right, where people walk around. And so why that Bambusa multiplex cannot be allowed to grow another, it could easily grow another couple of meters tall and make quite a good screen, to at least screen off that thing. But no, it has to be kept clipped down to the same height as the wall, so that from where the visitor views these structures, there's absolutely no screening whatsoever. And you can see that there's plenty of space here for circulation. Why do we have to have this wall here with the U-channel right up against it, so that there's no way you can plant a hedge on this side of the wall, right? So these are the kind of I know it seems incredibly basic, but these are the very basic things that, as a landscape designer, you need to think about. It's not rocket science, but it's just common sense. If the bamboo hedge was on this side of the wall, how much better would that be? Because then it would screen not only the wall nearest to us, but it would also screen the building behind. And I mean, after all, this is supposed to be a park. Anyway, let's have a look at another interesting thing over here, which is a water point. Plants, the planting, I think the planting is kind of interesting here. It wasn't actually designed by me, but there's a whole sort of jumble of all kinds of interesting things here, but they grow, and a lot of plants do well here that wouldn't do otherwise, because it's irrigated. And you can see here this structure is a water point. All it is simply a pipe sticking out with a tap inside, with a lockable gate on it, and then that connects, as you can see, to a hose pipe, which is and then that can be used for hand watering over, I think usually like about 10-15 meters. I think not more than 20 meters. I think it's not more than 20 meters between water points in theory, in order to get enough coverage to cover the whole area. I'll check that. Anyway, that's what's meant when you hear the term water point. Let's have a look around here. Walls, but quite nice. One of the nice things about this park is it does have some herbaceous plants, and we've got our old friend Belamcanda chinensis here, and some Crinum asiaticum, but they're a bit small. I don't know why they're not doing very well. Anyway, but I think the Belamcanda looks great. And then behind that we have some Callistemon. So Callistemon rigidus, I think it is, because it's not floppy. It's not flopping down. It's growing more upright. So I think this is Callistemon rigidus, which is the bottlebrush tree, and you can see clearly why it's called the bottlebrush tree, because the flowers are arranged like a bottle brush. Let's have a look, see if there's anything else around here. Okay, I will move on through that area towards the football ground.